Turkey tail has an array of medicinal qualities and numerous health benefits currently being proven by scientists. Here are a few of the amazing discoveries that are starting to be understood by modern science. Number 1. Turkey tail mushrooms are adaptogens. As their name suggests, adaptogens help the body adapt to various types of stressors we may come across. This includes physical, biological, or chemical stressors. Adaptogens interact with the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis to help stabilize your cortisol levels under stress and assist the body in reaching balance again. Number 2. Turkey tail supports the immune system. Bioactive compounds in functional mushrooms can have potent immunostimulatory effects. Turkey tail enhances both the innate and adaptive immune responses, the body's first and second lines of defense. Preclinical studies show that polysaccharides from turkey tail can induce proliferation of both T and B cells. These findings suggest that turkey tail supplementation is a safe way to heighten the immune response in people with weakened immunity. Number 3. Turkey tail supports a healthy inflammation response. Reactive oxygen species include free radicals and other byproducts of cellular metabolisms, such as superoxide anion, hydrogen peroxide, and hydroxyl radical. They are also produced in the cellular response to exposure to foreign substances like ozone, cigarette smoking, air pollutants, and industrial chemicals. Some scientists think that turkey tail's effects on inflammatory responses can even help protect the brain as it ages. When used in conjunction with a ginkgo biloba extract, mice with mild memory problems associated with aging had elevated levels of antioxidant enzymes superoxide dismutase and catalase in their brains. Their brain tissue also had lower expression levels of certain inflammatory markers. Number 4. Turkey tail protects DNA from damage. Free radicals can also be harmful to your DNA, which is more sensitive to their damaging effects than other macromolecules are. Results from one study suggest that extracts from Trametes versicolor may have activities that can protect DNA, possibly due to high levels of phenolic compounds in the mushroom. The underlying mechanisms of these effects are not yet clear. Number 5. Anti-cancer activity. Turkey tail mushrooms have gained attention for their potential anti-cancer properties. Although it is important to note that they are not a standalone cure for cancer, rather they are being studied for their potential as complementary or supportive therapy alongside conventional cancer treatments. Number 6. Immune system enhancement. Turkey tail mushrooms contain bioactive compounds, particularly polysaccharopeptides and polysaccharides, that have been shown to stimulate the immune system. They can increase the activity of natural killer cells, which play a crucial role in identifying and destroying cancer cells. By enhancing immune function, turkey tail mushrooms may help the body's defense mechanisms against cancer. Number 7. Anti-tumor activity. Studies have indicated that certain compounds found in turkey tail mushrooms, such as polysaccharides and triterpenoids, possess anti-tumor properties. These compounds have demonstrated the ability to inhibit the growth and spread of cancer cells in laboratory studies. They may interfere with the signaling pathways involved in cancer cell proliferation, promote apoptosis, or program cell death in cancer cells, or inhibit angiogenesis, the formation of blood vessels that support tumor growth. Number 8. Immune modulation during cancer treatment. Cancer treatments such as chemotherapy and radiation therapy can weaken the immune system. Turkey tail mushrooms may help mitigate some of the immunosuppressive effects of these treatments. Studies suggest that consuming turkey tail mushroom extract during cancer treatment could support immune function and potentially improve treatment outcomes. Number 9. Reduction of treatment side effects. Conventional cancer treatments often come with side effects such as nausea, fatigue, and weakened immune function. Some research suggests that turkey tail mushrooms may help alleviate these side effects. For example, they may have potential in reducing chemotherapy-induced side effects such as nausea and immunosuppression. Number 10. Turkey tail supports gut health. It is increasingly being understood that our overall health is highly dependent on our gut health. The composition of the gut microbiota affects everything from digestion to cognitive function. Beta-glucans contain bonds that cannot be broken down by human digestive enzymes. Large indigestible glycans also cannot cross the lining of the gut, so they must remain there until they are either used or excreted. This means that beta-glucans may be a potential source of prebiotics, which may contribute to changes in the health and composition of the gut microbiome. Number 11. Turkey tail supports liver health. The antioxidant activities of turkey tail may also support liver health. Some chemicals and their toxic metabolites may be harmful to the liver. Animal studies investigating liver impact commonly use the hepatotoxin carbon tetrachloride. This toxin produces ROS, a free radical called trichloromethyl, which are both bad news for the liver. Results from animal studies suggest that PSP could help protect the liver against trichloromethyl by regulating the immune response to the free radical, such as increasing levels of the protective antioxidants glutathione peroxidase and glutathione. Researchers identified one polysaccharide peptide in turkey tail called PSP1B1 that had hepaprotective effects in mice. Results from another study showed that mice that consumed PSP had lower levels of liver enzymes, indicating enhanced liver health. Number 12. Turkey tail improves athletic performance. Many researchers are turning to natural health products to find potential ways to help decrease sports fatigue and improve athletic ability. Improvements in sports fatigue may not be the first thing that comes to mind when thinking about functional mushrooms. However, animal studies have found that turkey tail polysaccharide peptide may enhance pain thresholds and have anti-fatigue activity. In one study, mice fed turkey tail extracts had greater forelimb grip strength and higher exercise tolerance than those that were not. Blood lactate supplies most of the energy for short, high-intensity exercise. It is measured with ammonia to help interpret an athlete's resistance to fatigue. Turkey tail extracts may help lower blood lactate and ammonia levels after exercise. As suggested by the above study's findings, this effect demonstrates that turkey tail extracts could help delay the onset of fatigue. Number 13. Turkey tail may support blood sugar balance. Healthy blood sugar regulation is key to achieving optimal health. All cells run on glucose or blood sugar. When there is insufficient sugar in the blood, cells don't get the energy they need. Blood vessels are negatively affected. Two hormones help ensure blood sugar levels stay within a narrow range. Insulin, which lowers blood sugar by escorting it out of the blood into the cells, and glucagon, which raises blood sugar by promoting the liver to convert stored glycogen into glucose. In order to achieve glucose homeostasis, it is important to maintain the body's sensitivity to insulin. Animal studies show that PSPs may just do that. They have been shown to support normal insulin sensitivity, which helps maintain blood glucose levels already within a healthy range. These results need to be replicated in clinical trials. However, these initial results in animals are very promising. How to take turkey tail mushroom. In traditional Chinese and Japanese medicine, turkey tail was prepared as a tea. That option is still available for those who can find and identify wild turkey tail. For the rest of us, we can look for turkey tail extracts in powder or capsule form. However, not all mushroom extracts and supplements are the same. To reap the benefits for your health, you must select a quality supplement. There are 3 important supplement buying guidelines to consider. Most importantly, look for a product whose label indicates that only turkey tail mushroom is used and not mycelium. Mycelium is essentially the root structure of the fungi. Not only does it contain fewer of the desirable biocompounds, but it is grown on grain. That grain is intertwined with the mycelium and ends up in the supplement. The grain the mycelium grows on dilutes the potency of the end product and loads it with unnecessary starch and filler. This is Blake from Walking the Wild, and if you are enjoying our channel and want to learn more about wild edibles, foraging, and herbalism, please like and subscribe, and we promise to keep those epic plant videos coming. Thank you so much for watching, and always keep your eyes open because you never know what you might find that's edible out in the wild.